Good morning friends, welcome to Cuelinks. So this video is going to be about the tutorial of how to sign up on Cuelinks and the approval process. So to get started, the publisher needs to sign up on the Cuelinks site, which is www.cuelinks.com/signup. After entering the site, you need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address and password, and your mobile number for verification. Then click on Next. After clicking Next, the site asks you company name, the channel URL through which you are going to promote the links, and the channel name. Then click on Sign Up. After clicking on Sign Up, your account is sent to the Cuelinks team for verification. Once the email ID is verified, the publisher receives automatic email that the account is under approval, and the approval team will check and approve within 7 working days. Once the account is approved, the publisher receives a mail which has Cuelinks demo kit. This demo kit shows how to generate links, track conversations, etc. So this was a tutorial video of sign up and approval process on Cuelinks. Thank you.